Hello everybody. Now the question is, if a matrix is a skew symmetric matrix, then find the value of A, B and C. So you can assume that A is equal to this one. So just if you will take the transpose of this one, so row will change into the column will change into the rows, is a skew symmetric matrix. We are supposed to find the value of A, B and C. So we know that A transpose is equal to minus A in case if the symmetric the matrix is skew symmetric matrix is there, so the A transpose will be equal to minus A. So this can be written as A transpose plus A is equal to 0. 0 means here if you want you can say this is the null matrix, you can say. So just you must write down the A transpose is here. So A transpose is 0 2 C A B 1 3 minus 1 0. This is your A transpose plus A. Matrix A is this one 0 A 3 2 B minus 1 C 1 0 is equal to your 0 matrix will be 0 0 because it is square matrix by 3 by 3. So null matrix you must write down of 3 by 3 is there. You can add these two. So just first element of this one will be added with first one. So 0 plus 0 you can say the 0. 2 plus A 3 plus C. Here is A plus 2. B plus B is 2B. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 plus C. Minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 0 0. If I write this null matrix. Now you can compare their elements. So this is 2 plus A will be equal to 0. Similarly, or you can say A plus 2. Similarly, 3 plus C will be equal to 0. And 2B will also be equal to 0. So just comparing their corresponding elements. So here you will get 2 plus A is equal to 0. So therefore A will be equal to minus 2. Similarly, you can find out the C value of C from here because 3 plus C will be equal to this 0. You can compare the corresponding elements. 3 plus C is equal to 0. So C is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So therefore C is equal to minus 3. Now to find the value of B, 2B is equal to 0. So therefore B is equal to 0. So finally we are getting A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 3. This is your answer. Have a look. Yes. Now question is, if A is equal to, A is the matrix is there, we are supposed to show that A inverse is equal to AQ. So we are given this, we are supposed to show that A inverse is equal to AQ. So this can be written as A inverse into A. You can multiply by the A both the side, AQ. So what you will get from here, A inverse into A, that is your identity matrix, that is equal to A raised to power 4. It means we shall to show that A raised to power 4 is equal to identity matrix. See, otherwise one more method is there. You have to find out the A inverse of this one and AQ separately, A into A into A. You have to multiply that and then you must show that this is equal to this one. But another way is there. You have to multiply by A, so you will get this one. I is equal to means identity matrix is equal to A raised to power 4. So if A raised to power 4 is equal to I, you can show this one only. Then that will is equal to A inverse is equal to AQ. So you have to find out first. Here is the A. So you have to find out the A square. So A square means A into A. You have to find out. So this is 3 2 0 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 4 4 1 multiplied by 3 2 0 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 4 4 1 here only. So you will multiply this one only. First row you multiply with the first column. First row element must be multiplied by this one, then second, then third is there. So direct I am doing 3 into 3 is 9, minus 6 plus 0, minus 9 plus 9 minus 4, 12 minus 12 plus 4, here 6 minus 6 plus 0, minus 6 plus 9 minus 4, 8 minus 12 plus 4, here you will multiply 0 minus 2, 0, then 0 plus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 4 plus 1. So finally you will get this is equal to 6 minus 9 minus 6 is 3. This is minus 4. 4. Here is 0. Then minus 1 and 0. Minus 2. 2 and minus 3. So this is your a square. Have a look. So a square we were getting, this one was a square was 3, this one is minus 4, 4, 0 minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 3. We want to find out a4 because we want to show that a raised to power 4 that is equal to the identity matrix that we want to. So now multiply this one only. So what we will get? It should come equal to the identity matrix. Then will be proved. So 3 direct I am doing first row, first column element. So 3, 3, 9 plus 0 minus 8 minus 12 plus 4 plus 8, 12 plus 0 minus 12. Here you will multiply 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is 0 plus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. For this minus 2, this third row will be multiplied with every column. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 plus 0 plus 6. Here is 8 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, 0 plus 9. Here you are getting. So this is 9 minus 8 is 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is 0, 0 and 1. And that is equal to the identity matrix here. So hence proved. Have a look. Yes, now the question is, if A is the matrix, then we are supposed to show that A square minus 5A minus 14I is equal to 0. Hence find the A inverses also. So you are, first of all, you have to verify this one is there. You are supposed to show that this is equal to the null matrix. So here we are given here A is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2. So you are supposed to find out the value of A square first is there. So A square means that is A into A. So your matrix is 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2 multiplied by itself only minus 5 and 2 this one. So here you will multiply first row, first column element. So 3 is a 9 plus 20. 3 minus 5, 15 minus 15 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Direct term minus 4 into 3 minus 12 minus 8 and minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20 plus 4. So this is equal to you are getting 29 minus 35 minus 20 and 24. This is your A square, and these values of A square and the identity matrix that is 14 into this one you have to multiply, solve it, then it should come equal to the null matrix is there. So you have to put the values now. So here is a square minus 5a minus 14i. So a square you are getting 29 minus 35 minus 20, 24 minus 5 into your matrix is 3 minus 5 minus 4 2 minus 14 into identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. So this can be written as 24 minus 20 minus 35 24 multiplied by 5 every element of this matrix. So 5 3 is 15 minus 25 minus 20 and 10. Here is minus 14 0 0 14. So first of all you are supposed to subtract from this matrix to this one is there. 29 minus 20 15 is equal to what you will get is here 29 minus 15 that is 14 minus 35 minus you will do that is you will get the minus 10 and 20 minus 20 this is minus we are doing and minus is also there, so minus minus it become a plus is there only. This is minus and then plus, so this is what you are getting minus 25 is there only. Have a look is there. Yes, here is a correction is here minus 15 minus 10 it should be the minus 25 is here. This is your minus 25. This is minus 25. Now you are supposed to subtract 29 minus 15 this minus 25 minus minus 25. So it's become plus, so it's become a 0. And minus 25 minus minus 20, so it's become plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20 is 0. And 24 minus 10 that is 14. Minus we are going to subtract this one 14 0 0 14. You will subtract this one, so you will get 14 minus 14 0 minus 0 0 and 14 minus 14. So this is you are getting 0 0 0 0. That is your null matrix which you want to show. This one is equal to this one. So first part is over. Have a look. Yes. Now the second part is there. We are supposed to find out the A inverse is there. So we are given. We are supposed to show. This is already we show. Then just take here a square minus 5a minus 14i is equal to 0. You are supposed to multiply by the A inverse from both the side. So you will multiply by the A inverse. Now you have to multiply this one a square by into A inverse minus 5 into A inverse minus 14 into A inverse is equal to 0 into A inverse. So this can be written as A into A inverse minus 5. A into A inverse is always equal to the identity matrix. This is I minus 14. Here is I into A inverse you are writing, that is the A inverse is equal to 0. Now A into A inverse is also the identity matrix. I minus 5i is equal to minus 14 A inverse is equal to 0. So from here only you can write down 14 A inverse is equal to 5i minus AI. So here you will get what? A inverse is equal to 1 over 14 in bracket 5i minus AI, or you can take out the A into I you will do, that is 1 over 14, that is 5i into minus A. Because the identity matrix is multiplied by the any matrix, then product is always the matrix itself. So you are getting this A inverse is equal to 1 over 14 5i minus A. Have a look. Yes. So here you are getting minus A inverse is equal to this one. We are transposing these two terms on this side. So from here minus A inverse is equal to 1 over 14, this one. So you can say what you will get, A inverse is equal to, you can change the sign is here, you can write on 1 over 14 A minus 5I. The value of A and the identity matrix you are supposed to put here only. So look at here now. So here is A inverse is equal to 1 over 14 A minus 5I. This is 1 over 14. Your matrix A is 3 minus 5 minus 4 2 minus 5, and this is your matrix. Identity matrix will be 0 1 0 0 1 here. So you will get 1 over 14. This can be written as 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. You have to multiply here 5 0 0 5. Simply you are supposed to multiply with the 5 is here. Now you are supposed to subtract. So here you will get 1 over 14 3 minus 5. This is here 3 minus 5 minus 5 minus 0 minus 4 minus 0 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 1 over 14. You can see minus 2 minus 5 minus 4 and minus 3. You can take out the minus common from here only. So what you will get? You will get minus 1 over 14 2 5 4 3. And this is your A inverse. Have a look.